Do not yield to this impotence, Arjuna. The wise lament neither for the living nor for the dead. Your duty is to fight.
The sun rises over the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Two great armies face each other, the Kauravas and the Pandavas, cousins, yet destined to fight. The air is heavy with destiny, fear, and the weight of dharma. Far from the battlefield, the blind king Dhritarashtra asks his charioteer, Sanjay, tell me, Sanjay, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do when they gathered on the field of duty? Sanjay, gifted with divine sight, begins to narrate. On both sides stand mighty warriors, teachers, friends, brothers, bound not only by blood, but by destiny. Arjuna, the greatest archer, turns to his friend and divine charioteer, Lord Krishna, and says, take me between the two armies, O Krishna, that I may see who stands against me. As Arjuna looks across the field, his heart begins to tremble. He sees not enemies, but loved ones. His revered teacher, Bhishma. His friend, Drona. His cousins, his uncles, his own king. His bow slips from his hand. His mouth dries. His body shakes. The great warrior's confidence turns to compassion and despair. Arjuna is torn. What is the point of victory? He cries, if it comes through the death of my own family. The kingdom, the pleasures, the very reason for war, all lose meaning. Overwhelmed with sorrow, he sits down on his chariot seat, unable to fight, unable to decide. The mighty warrior becomes paralyzed by compassion. And thus begins the divine dialogue, the Bhagavad Gita, not on the battlefield of Kurukshetra alone, but in the battlefield of the human mind. When duty and emotion clash, when right and wrong blur, the Gita begins. The conversation that will change not only Arjuna, but the entire course of human thought. This was chapter 1 of the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna's Dilemma. Next, chapter 2, Spiritual Knowledge. Join us as Krishna begins to reveal the timeless wisdom of life, duty, and liberation.